cybersecurity.
That's a myth. It's a myth.
Myth made
There's a
real.
myth.
Myth.
It's a myth.
Myths.
No, myth.
That's a myth.
Myth made real.
So, these are the 7 biggest myths I believed as a complete beginner. But what really changed the game for me was getting hands-on experience. If you're just starting in cybersecurity, especially without a tech background, there's a good chance you've already been lied to. Not on purpose, but by myths. I believed them too, until I got hands-on. In this video, I'll walk you through the 7 biggest myths I believed when I started my transition journey and what actually happens when you start doing the work. A few months ago, I was sitting at my desk, surrounded by sticky notes, YouTube tutorials, and half-drunk cup of coffee. I had just signed up for the Google Cybersecurity Professional course, and I was terrified. You need to know how to code first. I used to think cybersecurity was for just coders, that if you couldn't build a program from scratch, you had no business even trying. But then I got hands-on, and guess what happened? Most entry-level roles focus on understanding risks, people, and how systems work, not writing code. Wait, that's it? And suddenly I felt relieved. It wasn't coding that was holding me back. It was fear. You must be a genius coder or hacker. This one made me hesitate for months. I imagine cybersecurity pros as hoodie-wearing hackers in dark rooms. But real-world cybersecurity, it's more teamwork, communication, and policies. I remember asking a LinkedIn group, can someone without IT background really do cybersecurity? Someone replied, most of us didn't start in tech either. Certifications guarantee you a job. When I earned my first cybersecurity certificate, I was pumped. I thought, that's it, I am job ready. But I quickly learned, certificates open doors.
Can you open the door?
But they don't walk you through those doors. That you have to learn everything at once. See, when I started, I was trying to learn Linux, Python, frameworks, phishing tactics, and so on and so forth, all at once. My brain was fried. Burnout setting. Then I realized this field is too big for one person. It's okay to go slow in this journey. Don't overwhelm yourself. Cybersecurity is all about tools. Oh boy. When I started, I chased tools like mad. I chased Wireshark, Nmap, Metasploit, thinking I had to master them all. That was one of the reasons why I failed my ISC2 CC examination, because I was so focused on tools and I forgot that there's another side of cybersecurity that is as important as the tool side, the GRC. What matters most in this myth is understanding the why. You need years of experience to get started. I almost didn't apply for an internship because the description asked for things I didn't have. It asked for things and experience I didn't have. But I applied anyway and I got the internship. So this myth is not true. And finally, the last myth I believed is cybersecurity is just for tech people. Coming from construction, I felt like an outsider. But then I met people from healthcare, retail, teaching, and so on and so forth. This field needs diverse minds. People who think differently and people who see things differently. These 7 myths almost stopped me. If you're holding back because of one of them, I promise it's not the truth. Get hands-on, start where you are and learn as you go. If you're curious how I landed my first cybersecurity internship before finishing my course, make sure to watch the next video. It's linked somewhere up here and in the description. You can also find it towards the end of this video. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button. I've got more beginner-friendly videos like this from someone still figuring out like you. One video at a time. We're just making cybersecurity make sense for beginners from a non-tech background. Stay safe, stay curious, and stay vigilant. See you in the next road. Bye.